More news coming in at this point in time. The NCP has slammed Maharashtra Mantri's vomit remark. NCP says Shinde camp Mantri insulted Ajit Pawar. Shinde Mantri's big remark on ally NCP. The Sena Mantri had said that NCP's ideology makes me vomit. Tanaji had said, I sit next to Ajit Pawar in the cabinet meeting, but I feel like throwing up after the meeting. I feel unwell in cabinet meetings with the NCP. Tanaji Sawant said, I'm a hardcore Shiv Sainik. Never got along with the Congress and the NCP, is what Tanaji Sawant has said. This has offended the NCP.
कधीही या विषयात काँग्रेस आणि राष्ट्रवादीचं माझं जमलेलं नाही. शिकत असल्यापासून आतापर्यंत ही वास्तव डायरेक्ट गोष्ट आहे. जसं एलर्जी म्हणतोय गुढी खाली उलट्याला चालवतात ती अवस्था आहे. कारण ते विचार परिपूर्ण भिडलेले आहेत अंगामध्ये, त्याच्यामुळे ते शक्य आहे. आज जरी आम्ही कॅबिनेटला मांडीला बसलो असलो तरी सुद्धा बाहेर आल्यानंतर उलट्या होतात. ही वस्तुस्थिती सहन होत नाही. ते आता वयाच्या 7व्या वर्षी म्हणून बदलू शकत नाही. जे काय 15-20 वर्षाचं पोरग आहे, आता तू असं कर बापनं थोडा जम दिला की नीट झाला होत नाही. ते लक्षात त्याच्यामुळं आम्ही तत्वाशी बांधलेला आहोत.
Vidya is getting in more details. Vidya, the NCP obviously and expectedly has taken offense to those very strong comments that have been made by Tanaji Sawant. But get us the context. Why would he say something like that as far as the alliance partners' equations are concerned, given that this obviously would be damaging, isn't it?
Remember that it was never Eknath Shinde faction's will to really go with the NCP. In fact, when the BJP had said that the Ajit Pawar faction too would be joining them, Eknath Shinde had...
I'll just come back to you in a moment from now, Vidya. Mahesh Tapse, spokesperson of the NCP, joining us this morning. Thank you for speaking to India Today. Sena Mantri Tanaji Sawant has spoken about the fact that the ideology of the NCP is vomit-worthy. How do you respond?
I think it is very difficult for a leader of the stature of Ajit Pawar to accept this kind of a humiliation. And why he is accepting in the first place is a big question. When he was with us, that means with the Sharad Pawar faction, Ajit Dada, he was like a robust leader. He was like a lion. And people would walk up to him just to sit next to him and get their pictures clicked. But now a cabinet minister says the statement that we feel vomit-worthy after the cabinet meeting where we have to sit next to the NCP leader Ajit Pawar. I think this is a great humiliation inflicted upon Ajit Pawar, and I'm unaware why his party is not reacting. In fact, time and again the Shinde government has tried to sideline Ajit Pawar from the mainstream as far as taking credit for the Ladli Bahan Yojana and so many other things. Yesterday also Ajit Pawar's party did a dharna andolan regarding the breakage of the Shivaji Maharaj statue in Malwan. So there are cracks, there are visible cracks. I think after the Lok Sabha elections results were announced, RSS leaders also made a comment that it was not required to take Ajit Pawar in the fold. I think Mr. Devendra Fadnavis also had to take the brunt of...
What should Ajit Pawar do, in your opinion, as far as self-respect within the alliance is concerned?
If he has any self-respect, which I don't think he has, because he had self-respect when he was with us, that is with the Sharad Pawar faction. But if Ajit Pawar has any self-respect, he should immediately step down. And how can you take such a nonsense? I mean, this absolutely does not go with the personality that Ajit Pawar has. I have known Ajit Dada since last 25 years, since the NCP was formed. And we have worked very closely with him. So he has a robust personality. He has a very alpha kind of a personality. But taking this kind of a insult, I definitely does not. I mean, I have felt very bad. He's not in my party anymore. He's not my leader anymore. But I have felt bad. I mean, this kind of insult inflicted upon Ajit Pawar is just too much. And I'm curious to know why his spokesperson are not reacting. Why his party is not coming out on the road. Why they are not, giving back in the same emotion.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Mahesh Tapse, for joining in with your views. So you heard there from the NCP faction, that is the Sharad Pawar faction though, saying that if Ajit Pawar has any self-respect, he should not continue in this government, is what is being said. Vidya getting in more details. Vidya, why did the Shiv Sena Mantri make this kind of a comment against the NCP and against Ajit Pawar?
It's not really the first time. In fact, if you see, Sneha, even in April, there were talks of this minister actually talking against the NCP. In fact, what is being said that since the time that the BJP, because this is as they say, alliance ki majburi. That's the reason why the Shiv Sena faction, which of Eknath Shinde, which is in in alliance with BJP, had to accept NCP, but they have at no point really wanted to be with the NCP leaders. In fact, they have been always alleging that the NCP leaders have too much of corruption cases, which will be more kind of a liability during elections. To explain such kind of alliances would be very difficult, and that's why the alliance should not have formed. But the BJP had insisted right before the election, the parliamentary election, that there was a need for Ajit Pawar to come in the faction and then contest the elections together under Maha-UP. But certainly, the Shiv Sena leaders haven't forgotten, the Eknath Shinde faction leaders haven't forgotten that their stand was still clear, that they did not want the Pawar faction to be in alliance, and frankly, with the BJP and the Shiv Sena and Eknath Shinde faction actually having a majority, a comfortable majority at that, they really did not need the alliance. But with BJP's insistence, this alliance had been formed, and that's one of the reasons why voices like these keep coming from the
disgruntlement within the alliance is what Vidya is telling us. Listen in once again to what Tanaji Sawant has had to say about the alliance with the NCP and about the ideology of the NCP.
कधीही आयुष्यात काँग्रेस आणि राष्ट्रवादीचं माझं जमलेलं नाही. शिकत असल्यापासून आता ही वास्तव गायकाचं गोष्ट आहे. जसं ॲलर्जी म्हणतोय, गोळी खाली उलट्याला चालवतात, ती अवस्था आहे. कारण ते विचार परिपूर्ण भिडलेले आहेत अंगामध्ये, त्याच्यामुळे ते शक्य आहे. आज जरी आम्ही कॅबिनेटला मांडीला बसलो असलो तरी सुद्धा बाहेर आल्यानंतर उलट्या होतात. ही वस्तुस्थिती सहन होत नाही. ते आता वयाच्या 7व्या वर्षी म्हणून बदलू शकत नाही. जे काय 15-20 वर्षाचं पोरग आहे, आता तू असं कर, बापनं थोडं जम दिला की नीट झाला,